Hello dear friends, welcome to Kesaria Textile Company. Guys, in this video I'm gonna coming with the newly beautiful arrived some of the beautiful print sections. In this print section, you're gonna see many of the different kind of variety. Either it will be the brasso or Poonam sarees, some of the silk crepe items also in the fabric of chiffon, georgette, that kind of concept. All are some these kind of fancy exclusive cotton segments are also beside from these kind of sections or also we are having. But in this video, I'm just showing only some of the Renial, weightless, viscose or brasso or that kind of the beautiful concepts. So watch the video from start to till the end. The ranges I'm going to particularly showing in, starting from the ranges like 61 rupees, I'm already giving many of these kind of ranges also. But in this video, some of the ranges I'm just going to show you randomly only. Like either it will be the range of 300 or under 500 rupees concepts I'm gonna showcasing in this video. So guys, first of all, in my hand in these kind of beautiful concepts, see in the fabric of georgette, you gonna be see these kind of beautiful work, these kind of beautiful concepts. Let me remind you guys, many of the comment sections are there that what will be the single ranges of price. Let me tell you, single range will be 335, 350 or 400 under also. You have to purchase in a set wise. Like let me give this kind of example. Like this is a set, then these kind of ranges you will be get, you have to purchase in a set wise. 6 to 7 different color shades you will be get, but the color sections and the shades will be the different. And next concepts I'm gonna showcasing you these kind of beautiful fabric. There will be not any I'm showing saree fully because you have to be trust there will be no any single damages or defectives in any of our item. So guys, in these kind of beautiful variety, fully I'm gonna showcasing you in front of you, and you gonna be notice these kind of pallu designs also. Saree's length will be 6.30 meter length. There will be no any kind of shortage or this kind of misleading sharing any of the wrong product. Next concepts I'm gonna showcasing you. These are the one of the our concepts in brasso. These are highly preferable in the southern regional taste of India, like Tamil Nadu or some of the Andhra Pradesh. That kind of southern regional taste of India will be prescribed this kind of beautiful work with the Indian traditional. Many of the shopkeepers are there. They have giving their many of the extraordinary ads in Instagram or many of the reels shorts in YouTube also. They are promoting their businesses, but they are not having these kind of all 20 to 25 different ladies wear section. Don't get fooled by them. They are not a manufacturer. They are just a trader, like purchasing from another shops and selling to you. So they are not the manufacturer. They are just the traders, like many of the shopkeepers in India. But we are the manufacturers. We are giving you all the varieties at under one roof, which you name it, Kesaria Textile Company. So guys, any of the concepts you may like, please take the screenshot and send it to the screen available number and give your precious opinion, reviews or comments in the comment section. And till there, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon button to get the regular updates and notification of our video. Till there, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.